doing? I hope you're having a great day. So this by far is the earliest I've ever filmed a video. It's like 7:30 a.m. But last night I realized I had received my Ofra mystery box and I really want to open it before my busy day starts. So last I checked, unfortunately, I believe this box is sold out. Ofra's been coming out with some mystery boxes pretty frequently though. I believe the last one I got was a few months ago, probably less than that, like 2 months ago. So I paid $20 for this Ofra mystery box and it is supposed to have $100 in value. I have no idea what's inside. I'm really hoping that it's not like a duplicate of the last Ofra mystery bag. I've never heard of Ofra doing that before, but in the past, if you guys remember, if you've been around for a while, I purchased a pure mystery bag and then I got another one months later and it was the exact same, so that was kind of a bummer. But yeah, overall, like in my experience, Ofra has had some great mystery bags. A lot of times with these mystery boxes, companies kind of like shell out their like old products that aren't really selling well, but I don't find that always to be the case with Ofra. So even though the last I checked they were sold out, I'm still going to link their website or the link for this product down below because they do tend to restock, at least from what I've heard. So it comes in this box here and it has like a little thing to open it. So let's get this open and see what's inside. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. There's some bubble wrap holding up all of the things and it looks like there may be a repeat item in here, but who knows? Let's go through it and see. So the first thing I see, this doesn't look like a repeat. This is an Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick and this is in Spell. I don't have this, so that's exciting. So let's get this out. It looks like it's a pretty coral color. I recently did my BoxyCharm year in review and I showed some of the Ofra lipsticks we've gotten over the years and they were like pretty bright red. This is actually pretty bright orange. So it is in their new packaging though, I believe. Sometimes they like would have mystery bags and give out their old packaging. This is new, right? I do like their lipstick formula. So it has like the standard doe foot. Smells good. Wow, this is pretty bright. But honestly, I don't know if I have anything like this. So it is pretty. It looks like there might be like a tad bit of shimmer in there. Maybe not. So yeah, I guess I'll have to try this out. I'm glad it's something I don't have. I don't know if it's something I will reach for often. It's definitely more of like a summery shade, but I do happen to live in Florida, so you can kind of pull off shades like that more often. So, so far so good. And their liquid lipsticks, I believe, are like $18 to $20, so that is great. Next up, it looks like this is the Godet or Godet Pan Refill, a guilt-free refill. So, so this is their highlighter in Rodeo Drive. Do I have this one? I don't know if I have Rodeo Drive. I have like 5 Ofra highlighters. I'm just gonna grab them so I can show you guys what I have. Maybe I only have 4. I thought I had 5. So I have here the Nikki Tutorials highlighter in Everglow that has like the 3 shades in it. I think I got that in Allure. I have Star Island, Pillow Talk, and Retrograde. I thought I had one more. Oh, Glow Goals is the other one I have. I think it was in a recent Shop My Stash, so I don't know where I put it. So I don't have Rodeo Drive, but I've heard such good things about it, and I don't even mind that it's not in a compact. So this is a refill. And this is what it looks like. I've heard a lot about this shade, and I'm kind of glad it's like a smaller one, actually. Because I don't know about you, but never have I ever hit a pan in a highlight. So it is pretty gold. Ooh, but it is pretty. I love Ofra highlights. So when I got up to grab those, I grabbed like a Z palette I have. And I think I do have some Ofra singles in here, so I'll just throw it in here. And I think in a past Ofra mystery bag, I got a little Z palette, so I need to find that. But yeah, I am excited to have this. I don't mind that it's not in a compact. We do have something in a compact here though. Oh, and this is a repeat item. So here we have the Ofra highlight in Retrograde. And it is in the compact. I'm gonna keep it in here because I am going to add this to my upcoming giveaway. I was going to have like a holiday giveaway. I mean, I still am, but it was supposed to be like more around Christmas, but now I'm gonna make it like a New Year's, like a 2020 giveaway, because not everyone, you know, practices Christmas or celebrates Christmas, so it's gonna be a 2020 giveaway, so I will add that in here. But let me show you my highlight in retrograde. So far this is like the one real repeat, and it has 2 shades in here. So one is Star Island, which I do have and I really like, and the other one, I can't remember the name of it, it's like a lilac. So I have used this several times. I like to kind of mix them together. It's really pretty. So that is them, like over here. Hopefully you guys can see, mixed together. So, and there's a mirror. So in the future, one of you guys will get this. And I believe their highlights are like $29 or something like that. So yeah, I don't mind getting one repeat because I get to share with you guys. And then it looks like we have 2 more items in here. So one is, or the next one is lip liner in Plum Perfect. I do not have this. I think I've received one lip liner from them in the past, but it's like called Copper. So it's a pencil. Let's do a little swatch here. And I don't mind getting this because I do not have a plum lip liner. And I honestly use lip liners all the time. And I do have some darker lip shades that I could use this with. So I'm happy to have this. I've received some like plum shades like this in recent beauty boxes, so this will come in handy. So that is great. And then the last thing, this is something I've also received in the past, but I don't mind getting another one because I will go through it. So this is the Ofra Cleanse It Off. You love your glam, but you also love taking it off. 100% cotton lip wipes, and there's 15 pieces in here. So this is supposed to be like lip removers, which is nice because their liquid lipsticks do last a while. But I mean, I have used them for taking off other makeup too. Like I have a pack right here that's running low. So I've like used this to take off swatches and stuff before, but I guess the intention is for your lips. All right, so we received 5 items. I'm just gonna pull up their website and kind of get a rough estimate of what the value is of all of these items so we could see if this is really worth $100. All right, so they do have this long-lasting liquid lipstick in Spell. They say it's a neon coral pink with a hint of sheen, and it is listed as $20. So it's not a sale item or anything like that. Oh, and apparently Spell was curated by Nikki Tutorials. I didn't know that. All right, so I found a refill for Rodeo Drive online, but they list it as 10 grams, and this is a 4-gram highlight. So let's do a little math here. So the 4-gram highlight is worth $10. I found the Cleanse It Off wipes. The lip wipes are $7. I no longer see the highlight shade in Retrograde on their website. It does list the 2 products in here. So it's Star Island and Neptune. So the Neptune is an icy lavender glow, and then Star Island's a warm ivory, and each of those are listed at $35. So it looks like this was limited edition or something like that. You can still get the separate shades. So I'll just say this is $35 as well. But again, you can no longer purchase it on their website. All right, so on here it says lip liner in Plum Perfect. On their website, I just see plum. It says a deep purple mauve, define in line, water resistant, create fuller and long lasting pouts, and it is $13. So when I add up the total, it's like $85. So I guess it is less than the $100 they stated that you receive, unless I somehow got one of these prices wrong, but I don't think I did. Again, this Retrograde highlight's no longer on their website, so maybe it was valued at more. But yeah, do I think it was worth it? So I paid $20, and $20 alone is just like the lipstick. And I do think that is a pretty shade, and I am excited to try it out. I am excited about the lip liner too, because like I said, I actually am lacking this in my collection, and now that I just recently received these like darker plummy, like vampy shades and lipsticks, I will definitely use this. I'll definitely use the cleansing wipes as well. In general, I'm trying to like ease off the wipes just for like environmental impact, but honestly, they are convenient, especially when you're doing a lot of swatches and stuff like that, or cleaning up an eye look. I am excited to have Rodeo Drive in my collection. I don't mind that it's smaller. And yeah, I can't use this one because I already have it, but I will put that in a giveaway. So overall, this is not my favorite Ofra beauty box. I've had some that I felt like way more excitement from when I opened, but I am still happy with it. I feel like I did get my money's worth. So you guys have to let me know. On their website, when I bought it, it said all the boxes are the same, but in my experience, I've seen different boxes, so if you guys received this Ofra beauty box, I would love to know what you received. Did we get all the same items? Did we get like similar items with different shades? Do you think it was worth it? Do you think it's kind of like a Jip that they said $100, but I came up with $85 total? I mean, still much more than the $20 I paid. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.